Does the thought of going to a dentist give you jitters and you get all anxious? Dental anxiety is real. Yes, it affects teens, kids, and adults all over the world. Whether you're watching from the US, UK, India, or wherever you are, dental fear is extremely common and there's absolutely nothing to be ashamed of it. And today I want to talk to you not just as a dentist, but as a friend and somebody who wants to help you overcome your dental fears so that you don't skip out on those dental appointments and always ensure you have a healthy mouth. So why do people fear dentists so much? Where is all this dental anxiety actually stemming from? It could be a bad dental experience that you've had in the past, or it could be a dental experience that you've heard of from your friends or family that didn't really go that well. Also, you could be somebody who fears needles. And to add to these things, of course, I know that the sounds in a dental clinic can be really, really annoying from all the drilling and the prophylactic cleaning that we do. Yes, I agree, it's pretty annoying. So that adds to the fear. And again, patients feel very helpless and out of control when they're on the dental chair and they have to keep their mouth open for a long period of time. So all of this, along with maybe a little bit of embarrassment to the current state of oral hygiene that you have, you're not happy with the way your teeth are or they look. So all of this put together is what gives you that dental fear or anxiety. And it's absolutely okay to feel that way. You're not wrong in your part, but yes, there is a way to deal with this better so that you no longer feel that way and you no longer hate visiting your dental clinic. So here are some easy tips that I want to share with you to help deal with your dental anxiety. First and foremost, tip number 1 is find the right dentist. It is very important to choose the right dental clinic. Your dentist has to be somebody who does not rush into your dental appointments or consultations. He or she should be somebody who has the time, who can take out that time with you to sit with you before every dental appointment and actually explain to you the procedures in detail, everything that you're probably going to go through on the dental chair during that appointment needs to be talked about with you before so that you're aware of what's going to happen. And once you're aware, the anxiety automatically gets eased out because you know what to expect. It shouldn't be like you had an appointment for a root canal, you're absolutely clueless as to what's going to be done, whether there are going to be injections, is there going to be any kind of pain or not. You would just sat onto the chair and the procedure was started without having actually run through the procedure with you before. That would be a very, very revenue driven practice, not something that I would recommend. I'd rather recommend a clinic wherein it's a very warm and friendly environment where the staff and the doctor are very, very approachable. You can talk with them, ease out all your dental fears and anxiety, and you know what you're actually getting into. So obviously you're wondering like, okay, I know I have to find the right dentist, but how do I know that this is a good clinic for me? This clinic would be ideal for me. How do I end up at the right dental clinic? In today's digital era, we are blessed to have reviews. You can just very easily look out for dental practices in your vicinity, go to their Google page and check out their reviews, see what their patients have to say about them, check out their most recent and newest reviews, and that itself will give you a fair idea of what sort of a practice they are. Look out for terms like gentle dentistry, pain-free dentistry. If you're somebody who prefers to be sedated while your dental appointments, then you can even look out for sedation dentistry. Look out for what the reviews are saying about the staff and the doctors and how their entire experience has been, whether their concerns have been addressed properly, was it done in a pain-free manner, what sort of a wait time was there, was the consultation a detailed one or no. These are little things that you can look out for in the feedbacks, but they go a long way in having for you to choose the right one. Tip number 2 is communicate your fears well. Please do not start your relationship with your dentist by saying, I hate visiting the dentist, I hate dentists. This is not how you want to start your relationship with. The way to start is by building trust and confidence. And how you can do this is by communicating well what you're scared about. It could be the fear of needles. If that is the case, you can opt for pain-free needles. These days, all procedures that we do are mostly under anesthesia, and even anesthesia can be administered in a very pain-free manner. So talk to your dentist about it and take the right decision and choice for yourself. But do not start this relationship with a lot of hatred and fear. We follow this very simple and interesting hand signaling technique at our clinic, which helps to ease out a lot of our patients. We understand that while you're in the dental procedure, keeping your mouth open for such a long period of time, there could be a lot of discomforts that you're facing. You might want to get up, close your mouth, spit, take a rinse, whatever. By a simple gesture of the hand, the patient actually communicates with us that he wishes for a pause. And that's when we stop our procedure, make sure that the patient can take a break, get up from the chair, get all comfortable, and then move on further with the procedure. This simple technique always helps you feel that you're the one in control, because you know that at any point, should the discomfort appear, by a simple show of hand, you will guide your dentist and request them to stop, and they will. So this also builds that confidence between y'all, and you will be the one taking charge. Now, tip number 3, and most important, this has to be tried by all of you, is the distraction technique. The easiest way to distract our patients from the procedures that we are doing, if we want their attention and focus to be driven away from the procedure, the best way to do it is by listening to music. A very popular thing that we do is BYOM, which is bring your own music. So when they're filling out the forms at the reception table, we make sure to ask them their preferred choice of music. And when they're taken into the procedure, we help them by keeping their playlist ready of their choice of songs, because music is the best way to calm you down and to soothe you. There have been instances when patients actually tell us like, oh, the music is just so good, I don't feel like leaving the dental chair. Can you even imagine a patient telling that to a dentist? Yes, but it does happen. The next thing which you can obviously do is see a video of your choice or see a podcast of your choice, which will also help you keep engaged. Most clinics have a screen which is put up for the patients on the dental chair itself, and they can comfortably view in a show of their choice or a movie of their choice, whatever they wish. So if you've tried the music and the video, but it's still not working for you, then deep breathing might just be the right trick for you. You can just do 4 seconds of deep breath inside, 4 of hold, and 4 of exhale and relax. And this will instantly calm you down and set the tone right for your dental procedure. Tip number 4 is start small but stay consistent. What I mean by start small is when you've taken a dental consultation with your dentist and they have mapped out an entire treatment plan for you as to what needs to be done, always choose the smallest, or I would say the easiest appointment as your first. So if you know that you're anyways lined up for a round of teeth cleaning, which is sort of one of the easiest procedures in dental practice, then start off with that procedure. Make sure that your first dental appointment for that clinic is for your round of teeth cleaning, or maybe just a small cavity or something of that sort, because that helps you ease into things, gets you familiarized with the environment, the way that the dentist operates, the staff and all of that. And slowly and steadily, the fears start to come down. Don't jump into a major procedure at your first visit, like say a surgical extraction or an implant or something like that. Lastly, what I always practice with my patients is give them a lot of reassurance. I talk with them and I tell them that they did so well despite of having a fear of say needles or dental instruments. They were calm throughout the procedure and things just went smoothly as planned. Just having to hear these few words from us reassures them a lot, and they come back to us with a lot of confidence for their next round of visit. And the last tip that I want to give to a lot of parents, this is best for kids and younger children. Introduce them to dental visits very early on in their life. If the child has an older sibling, it's always a great idea to tag along your younger child for the older child's dental visit. When they see their sibling sitting on the dental chair, happily smiling, interacting with the dentist, and leaving out of the room again in a very smiling and a happy manner, it reassures them that the dental clinic is not something to be afraid of or scared of. This helps to build a very positive image for a dental clinic into their young minds. And also what we like to do for our very young children is give them some stickers, especially on the back of their hand, as a bravery reward for the way they've interacted so positively with us at the dental clinic without any fears and anxiety. So I hope that with this video, I've helped to ease a little bit of your dental anxiety. Do try these tips. Let me know what has worked for you. Or if you have something new which has worked for you in the past that I haven't mentioned here, then please do leave it in the comments and let me know which one of these has worked for you the best. And for more science based and friendly dental advice, please remember to subscribe. As I say always, stay healthy and keep smiling.